Welcome to Saturday Stitches with Frankenstein's Fabrics. This week I'd like to talk to you about water. Now, not water like we originally did, the more Japanese stylized water, but this one is a bit more kind of like the traditional curved wave that you'll see on certain beach brand logos and things like that. And this is one you can use in a couple of different ways. So I like to use this in sashings because it's a good filler for narrow sashings, and it's a really easy design to do, and you can work it left to right depending on which way you want your shape to go. So we're starting in the corner today on the bottom of our block. Work up, hook over and hook back. And you can make them small or large. So our three basic hook waves on this one. Now the other thing you can do is if you wanted to have them hooking into each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to travel and turn around because I prefer working left to right on this one. So, hook up, hook back. So this would also work if you wanted to create something that these look like monster hands. So you can play around with what a shape looks like. You could make them more pointy, less pointy. You could square up this curve here. So you can also come in and hook off the side so that you're creating all of these, let's call them points, coming into the center. So there we have our wave block, but all facing into our center. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button and we'll see you next time for Saturday Stitches with Frankenstein's Fabrics.